morning students. Today we will start our new chapter of geography class 8 resources. We had already read about resources in our previous class, so everybody know about resources. So in this chapter we will discuss about the definition of resources, importance of resources and type of resources. First of all, we will define resources. तो how can we define resources? Resources को कैसे define करेंगे? Anybody tell me? Everything are resources which fulfill our needs. Clear? तो definition, proper definition of resources are everything available in our environment which can be used to satisfy our needs are known as resources. I repeat my definition: everything available in our environment which can be used to satisfy our needs are known as resources. Clear? Next है हमारा अब importance of resources. Importance of resources में क्या होगा हमारा? Resources are very important for a nation or a country because they increase the wealth, they increase the source of economic wealth. So importance of resources, these are great source of economic wealth of a nation or a country. Importance of resources कैसे हेल्पफुल है वो किसी नेशन या कंट्री के लिए? These are great source of economic wealth. These are great source of economic wealth. Now let types of resources. How many types of resources? 3 types of resources. First, natural resources. Example of natural resources is land, water, soil, sun. Next है human made resources. Roads, buildings, roadways. Human resources, education, health or intelligence. These are type of resources. First, natural resources. Second is human made resources and third is human resources. Natural resources में क्या क्या includes है हमारा? Land, water, soil and sun. Human made resources, roads, building, railways. Third, human resources, education, health, intelligence. First, we define natural resources. Natural resources. Natural resources, what are natural resources? These resources are directly from nature without any change. These resources are directly from nature. We get from nature. These are natural resources. So, these resources are directly from nature, used without any change. Used without any change or called natural resources. Up natural resources, division of natural resources. Natural resources has also subdivisions. Division of natural resources on the basis of origin, on the basis of renewability and basis of distribution. नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज को हम डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करते हैं नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज को किसमें? बेसिस ऑफ ओरिजिन, बेसिस ऑफ रिन्यूएबिलिटी एंड बेसिस ऑफ डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन. नाउ डिवीजन ऑफ नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ ओरिजिन. बेसिस ऑफ ओरिजिन नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज में बायोटिक एंड एबायोटिक. बायोटिक रिसोर्सेज all living things are included in biotic resources. All living things are included in biotic resources. Biotic resources यानी living things में क्या include होंगे हमारे? Plants and animals. Second यानी abiotic. इसके opposite इसमें all non living things are included in abiotic resources, rocks, soil and mountains. It's clear? Next, on the basis of renewability. इसके भी 2 parts हैं, renewable and non-renewable resources. First, renewable resources. Renewable resources can get renewed quickly are called renewable resources. I repeat, resources can get renewed quickly are called renewable resources. These resources, renewable resources, are unlimited resources like solar energy, water or wind. These are renewable resources. Renewable resources are unlimited resources. Second, non-renewable resources. These resources have limited stock. Non-renewable resources have limited stock. If these resources are once exhausted, they cannot be renewed short period of time. They have long period of time to renewed. So like minerals and metals. Third is basis of distribution. Basis of distribution. Universal resources and localized resources. Universal यानी found everywhere on the earth. Universal resources found everywhere on the earth are called universal resources like land, air and soil. These are the example of universal resources. Second, localized resources found in certain places. यानी these resources are found at a particular place are called localized resources. Localized resources के example है iron, copper, gold, silver, etc. तो on natural resources, division on the natural resources, basis of origin, basis of renewability. Third, basis of distribution. Basis of origin में biotic and abiotic all living things are included and abiotic non-living things are included. Renewable resources में renewable and non-renewable. Renewable, these are renewed quickly are called renewable resources, solar energy and water. Non-renewable resources that have limited stock, minerals and metals. Basis of distribution में universal and localized. Universal found everywhere on the earth and localized found at a particular place. So we have now complete our topic of natural resources. Thank you.